Good morning, children. Today we will do the exercise of our poem Teamwork. So let's start now. First question is complete the following sentence. Here, number 1 is given. If nobody passes the ball in a basketball game, then you can't blank. I have explained during our poem that if nobody passes the ball in a basketball game, then you can't blank. You can't shoot. If बास्केटबॉल की गेम में कोई बॉल पास नहीं करेगा तो आप शूट नहीं कर सकोगे. राइट. नंबर 2, इन अ रिले रेस इफ नो वन passes द बैटन देन ब्लैंक. ऊपर जो बास्केटबॉल की गेम की बात की थी बच्चों, उसमें क्या था कि जब बास्केटबॉल की गेम में कोई बॉल पास नहीं करेगा तो आप शूट नहीं कर सकते. जस्ट लाइक इट हियर रिले रेस की बात की गई है यहाँ पे. इन अ रिले रेस इफ नो वन passes द बैटन, आई सेड यू बैटन मीन्स अ स्टिक. So if no one passes a stick, a baton, then the race can't go. Now our next question, think and write. Question number 1. Name the team members needed for the following. Number 1, to play cricket we need. Students, if we want to play cricket, so with only one player we can't play it. So if we want to play cricket we need many players like batsmen, bowlers, fielders, coaches, etc. So just like that. Number 2, to make a film we need. If we want to make a film, so we need many characters for it. So now let's see. If we want to make a film, we need actors, directors, producers and musicians. Number 3, to run a good school we need. If we want to run a good school, so we can't need and we don't need only one person for running a good school. Running a good school we need many members and many persons. For example, first we need a principal, right, to run a school to manage better. Then teachers for study. Then students, peons, office staff, etc. We need many persons to run a good school. Number 3, to run a restaurant we need. If we want to start a new restaurant or we want to run a restaurant, we need many persons also here, like a chef, then waiters, assistant cooks to cook better food, and customers. Without customers we can't run a restaurant very well mannered. So to run a restaurant we need many persons like a chef, waiters, assistant cooks and customers. Now let's see another exercise. Complete the sets of rhyming words. One has been done for you. Here we have to complete the sets of rhyming words. We have to make the pair of rhyming words. Here one word is given. We have to write down another pair of that rhyming word. First one is given team and beam. Now in second one plus is given. So what's the rhyming word for plus? We can write here bus. The rhyming word of plus is bus. Here I have written bus. Then done. Another word is given done. So the rhyming word of done is fun. Number 3, H-O-O-P, hoop. The word is given here hoop. The rhyming word of this word is soup. Then fourth number is given shoot, SHOOT. Here we will write the rhyming word of shoot is root. Then next goal. The word is given here goal, GOAL. So the rhyming word of goal can be call, COAL. And the last one is the word is given joy. The rhyming word of joy is toy. So these are the pairs of rhyming words. Our next question, here a poem is given. For want of a nail. First let's read the poem. For want of a nail, the shoe was lost. For want of a shoe, the horse was lost. For want of a horse, the rider was lost. For want of a rider, the battle was lost. For want of a battle, the kingdom was lost. And all for the want of a house shoe nail. Here now we have to form the questions of the answers given in the speech bubbles. Here you can see the answer is already given. We have to form the questions from above poem I just have read. So our answer 1 is given here. The shoe was lost. Here the answer is the shoe was lost because of the nail. So here we have to form the question of this answer. So whenever the answer starts with because, we have to remember that we have to form the question with why. So our question is, why was the shoe lost? Number 2. The answer is given here. The kingdom was lost because the battle could not be found. So here we will make a question for this answer, that why was the kingdom lost? And number 3, the third answer is given here. The battle was lost because there was no rider. So here we will make the question of this answer, that why was the battle lost? Right? This is our third question. Now come to the next one. Children, here you can see a picture. In this picture, you can see the example of teamwork. I have explained you during our lesson the advantages and the importance of teamwork. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो एक काम हो रहा है, एंड ये जो वर्क है, द वर्क इज डन बाय मैनी मेंबर्स. ये जो वर्क है वो बहुत सारे मेंबर के साथ किया जा रहा है. यू कैन सी हियर. सो here you can see the example of teamwork. Look at this picture and answer the questions in one sentence using the word clues given in the box. So see this picture, and here the answer question is given. We have to answer these questions from the bracket. First question is, who is laying the bricks? Our answer is here. By seeing this pic, you can also give the answer that who is laying the brick. Our answer is the mason is laying the brick. Here you can see that this is a mason and he is laying the brick. Right? Next. Second number. Who is holding the ladder? Here the question is, who is holding the ladder? wait, I am showing you a picture of this one. Who is holding the ladder? Here in this picture you can see here this labor is holding the ladder. So our answer is the labor is holding the ladder. Number 3, who is the man on the ladder? Who is the man on the ladder? In this picture, the man on the ladder is an electrician. Then next, who is making the door? Here in this picture, you can see this carpenter. The carpenter is making the door, right? Next, 5th question is, who is painting the walls? Here you can see the picture. Who is painting the wall? Now you can give the answer that the painter is painting the wall, right? Understand, students? Now here our question is completed here. Now next question, let's talk. In a group of 5, discuss what you enjoy doing alone and what you like doing in a group. Here you can see this table. 2 parts are divided in this table. First one, things I like doing alone. This is the first part. Yeah, right? This is the first part. Things I like doing alone and things I like doing in a group. तो हमें जो काम अकेले करने अच्छे लगते हैं वो हमें यहाँ पे लिखने हैं. Like studying, reading books and listening music. We have to do these things alone. And things I like doing in a group. So आपको जो ग्रुप में चीज़ें अच्छी लगती हो करने की वो यहाँ पे लिखनी है. Like cycling, going for long walks and making school projects. We will like doing these things doing in a group, right? Now next question. Here you can see in the bracket there are short forms given. Number 1, write the contraction for the following phrases. Here some phrases are given and we have to write the contraction, the short form of these phrases. First, has not. So the contraction of has not is hasn't. Do not. The short form of do not is don't. Have not. The short form of have not is haven't. Are not. The short form of are not is aren't. Now number 2. Here we have to do the opposite thing of the above exercise. In above exercise we have written short forms. Now in this exercise we will write the full forms of the following. First word is given here, weren't. Here the contraction is weren't and the full form of weren't we will write were not. Number 2, the short form is given here, wasn't. We will write wasn't in full form as was not. Again another short form is given, she will. The full form of she'll is we will write she will. And whose, here the full form of whose we will write who is. Sorry, here and mistake. We will write here who is. Okay? Now here we have completed all the exercise of our poem team work. You have to write in your textbook one time and I hope you all understand it very well. Goodbye everyone. Thank you.